One day Emperor Akbar was very angry with Birbal. He said,
Oh, what is happening here, Birbal? You gave medicine to clear the Begum's throat, and instead of clearing her throat, it has become worse. You heard how awfully she is singing? First make her stop singing, or at least take her inside the palace.
My lord, what I felt was the best medicine. It was given by me to her. Sometimes some medicines do not give the desired effect, my lord.
But you should have said this earlier. The throat of Her Royal Highness seems to be an experimental place for you.
Our emperor has to pay the price for your folly. Jahapana, Birbal has to be punished for his mistake.
I agree, my lord. I accept my mistake.
Only accepting is not enough. He should be punished.
What Sher Khan is saying is right, Birbal. You should get punishment. What punishment should you get?
How can I tell you that? You have made the allegations against me. Hence, even though you are the emperor, you cannot take a decision on the punishment to be meted out to me, my lord. Yes.
What you say is also correct. Then who will...
My lord, if you do not have any objections, I will like to try this case.
Jahapana, in case of necessity, even I will try. It will only help the Qazi.
No. In our palace, people might already have been against Birbal. That is why the trial in this case has to be very clear. Otherwise, we will be unfair with Birbal.
Who then will try him?
That Birbal will decide.
But then he would prefer only those who are close to him.
Remember, till date Birbal has been fair with everybody. He understands the value of justice. Hence, the person to punish him will also be decided by him. Tell me, Birbal, who would you like to choose for this job?
If you are insisting, in the outskirts of the city, there are a few people living there. I would be happy if they can give me justice, my lord.
What?
But they are illiterate people. How can they do justice?
My lord, they may be illiterate but are definitely not brainless, Mr. Sher Khan, isn't it? Huh? It is not necessary to learn any books to impart justice. Now, if you don't mind...
Okay. Birbal, if you insist, they will make out your punishment. Go and get them here.
Come on, move fast. The emperor must be waiting.
Look at him, brother. He has put on full dress.
And look,
He's wearing shoes too.
hey, who gave this to you?
Hey, keep quiet and look in front.
Do you all know for what we have been brought here?
We haven't done anything wrong. You see, sir, my lord.
Yes, Your Majesty, please leave us. We are innocent.
You have not been brought here for your punishments, but you have been brought here to punish Birbal.
Yes, my lord. But why are you doing this? What is our fault that you are punishing us this way? Mr. Birbal is very big man. We have heard a lot about him. He has been praised by everybody.
On trial by a
we don't
like
know why.
showing a light to the sun.
Yeah, you're right.
My lord.
But Birbal himself wants you to punish him. So, his wish and my order. You have to read out his punishment.
But Badsha Salam, what is the crime committed by Birbal?
Yes, what has he done?
Akbar told the three of them about the crime committed by Birbal and said,
Now three of you discuss amongst yourselves and decide on this punishment. your justice will be accepted without any question.
Then the three of them started discussing with each other.
No. It is very difficult for us to punish a big man like
we have to,
Birbal. But
punish
it
him.
is difficult. But
What
what I
can we
have
do?
to say is that, as Bacha has said, now we will have to punish Birbal very heavily now.
The emperor has given him a lots of more till now. Hence, he has to pay a total of 50 coins as fine.
Hey, what are you talking? He may be any big person, but see, he may be a minister, but first he is a human being.
Then how would he be able to pay such a hefty fine? So instead of that, we will fine him 25 mohars.
Yes,
He will
correct,
be
correct,
paying
correct.
it throughout his life.
Yes,
Yeah. And this way he will learn a lesson. He will learn that not to do such kind of a thing again in his life.
He will keep thinking about us all his life.
Yes, you are absolutely
I think
right.
this is going to be very
this
okay.
correct,
Now come on,
correct. Let us tell the emperor. Bacha Salamat.
Bacha Salamat. After giving due consideration to the situation, we have decided that the Birbal will pay a fine of...
Tell us, how much fine does he have to pay?
My lord, Birbal ji has to pay a fine of 5 mohars.
Yes, five.
Yes,
Not only
five more. And if he find it difficult, then he can pay it in installments.
Yeah. This is correct. This is going to help him.
5
Correct.
installments.
The fine of 5 coins decided by the three of them was very negligible for Birbal. Hearing this, Akbar was surprised. And finally, Akbar appreciated Birbal for the idea he put in place to get his justice carried out.